Hey, welcome back guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your SiteGround account, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you find the name servers in your SiteGround website? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to find the name servers in SiteGround anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, maybe you have the hosting and the domain in two different areas, so you need to point the name servers in a different location. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process to find that information here in your SiteGround dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my SiteGround dashboard, and this is the home screen. Now, if you want to find your name servers to your SiteGround website, in the top menu, you're going to click on services. Once you click there, you're going to see these 5 options at the top, and you want to click on domains. Okay, once you click on domains, you're going to see all of the different websites you have with SiteGround. So just scroll through until you find the website that you need the name server for. So for example, this one right here, and click on settings. Okay, once you click on there, you're going to see these 4 options right here. And you want to click here on name servers. Okay, once you click there, you will see the different name servers for your SiteGround website right here. Now, if you're going to be changing these and pointing them somewhere else, that information you're going to get from whoever you're pointing it to. So it might be GoDaddy, it might be Bluehost. So once you have that information from them for their name servers, you're going to come back in here and click on manage. Once you click on manage, you're going to change this name server type to custom. So we'll click here, custom. And here you can go ahead and input the new name servers. So again, this is not information that SiteGround is going to give you. You're going to get the name server information from your new provider. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to find your SiteGround name servers, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up, or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.